Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to Mocha's World. So I purchased this guava jam, Jamaican guava jam, quite some time ago, years ago actually, in my Jamaican food haul. Check out that video with all the wonderful products that I got. This I forgot in the back of my cupboard, and I was cleaning the other day and I saw it and I thought, oh my gosh, it's still here. Let me make something really yummy with it. So today I'm going to make some easy guava cream turnovers. All right, so here I have the guava jam. I put some in a little bowl here to make it a little bit smoother so I can apply it easier. I have some puff pastry, just one pack. I have a packet of vanilla sugar. I'll put the full recipe in the description section below the video because I'm just kind of making this up as I go along here. I have some Speise Topfen, which is similar to lighter version of cream cheese. And you can also substitute Neufchâtel cheese if you don't have that. I have some cinnamon and some nutmeg. So I'm just making this up as I go along, as I said. So I'm going to just scoop the Speise Topfen here. And I just want to kind of smooth it out and add a few more flavors so that it's a little bit more flavorful than just a plain cream. Okay. So next I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon in there, just a little bit. I don't want it too overpowering, just a little hint of cinnamon. And a little bit of nutmeg. And vanilla sugar. The guava jam is quite sweet, but I just want to flavor the cream a little bit with a hint of this vanilla sugar here. So I'm gonna just eyeball it. Just want to make sure I incorporate it all very well. Yummy. Just right. It just takes a little edge off the sourness of the cream because Speise Topfen is a little bit sour. I'm going to open my puff pastry here. I probably should have gotten two of them, but since it's the first time I'm actually doing this, I wanted to try it first. So for this phase of the recipe, I got a pizza cutter. You can use a regular knife. And I have a little cup here with some milk just to finish off, and silicone brush here. And a fork. So I'm going to just eyeball this, cut this approximately, I'm going to mark it first. Approximate where the middle is, let's see, right here. And eyeball it about here. So we'll get 8 pastries out of this, okay. All right, so what I'm going to do is first start off with the jam. I'm going to just put a little bit in the middle and spread it. I'm not sure let's see, I'm gonna keep it all to one side because I'm gonna bend it over and then crimp the edges here. So let's do that. Put a nice dollop there. Stay away from the edges. Add a dollop of the cream on top of that. All right, so I'm going to just fold over the top part of it, like so. Very easy, guys. And just use my fork. Be very gentle because the dough is very delicate, especially when you add the liquid to seal it. So be very gentle. Don't pull on it, just press gently just to seal it. I'm going to take a little drop of the milk just to seal the edges here. A little bit of moisture there. And then just crimp the edges. Okay, that's one. Two. I have a baking sheet lined with baking paper. So I'm going to just place them on the baking sheet as I go along. Okay, so I'm going to do the same for this one. Take a little bit of the milk and put it along the edges here. Help seal it. could do an egg wash now, but I'm gonna just brush on some of the milk that I had onto the top so it doesn't completely dry out when it's baking. Okay. And I think I'm gonna just add a few more drops of nutmeg on top because I like it so much. But this is optional. So I'm going to place these in an oven preheated to 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them so they don't burn, as oven temperatures may vary. Okay guys, the pastries are done. I allowed them to cool a bit before putting them on this platter. And look how great they look, and they smell divine. So I'm going to try one here. I'm going to just take my pizza cutter just to give it a nice clean cut so we can see what it looks like, because they're still a little bit warm and that jam burns. So let's see. So the pastry has puffed up and you see the nice cream. You see some steam there maybe. And the cream is still intact for the most part, and the sort of melted jam there. So let's give it a taste. Wow. This is so delicious. Oh my goodness. Wow. This was well worth the wait. So the cream and the jam just melt together so well, and it's so nice and warm and comforting. And of course the flaky puff pastry just adds a nice variation of texture to the more softer inside. I love guava, but they're not readily available where I live, so therefore I bought the jam, and I will be buying some more because this is really, really good. So there you have it, guys. Easy guava cream turnovers. Let me know if you make these and how they turn out. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Mmm.